Hey, this okay. Dash. Hey, let's do it. Come on, let's go, guys. What's it? Where's my house? Where's my house? There's my house. Let's go first. What's that say?
What is it?
Train.
Who is it?
Thomas.
Oh, the Thomas. What color is he?
Red.
Oh, he's red.
Yeah.
Okay.
Red backyard.
He has a red backyard.
Want to see him?
You want to see Declan?
Yeah.
He's not on this side of the camera. He's on the other side. Go on the other side. Go on the other side of the camera.
Cheese.
There he is.
Cheese.
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 Can you say hi?
Yeah.
Say hi. Can you say hi with your mouth? Yeah, right.